Heating up after the JP UltraTech deal. Suitors are making a beeline for Lafarge's India assets. It seems that there are over 10 non-binding bids that have been submitted. Nisha Poddar is joining with the details. Nisha, so it's all about cement, really. We've seen the move on stocks as well. Not that Lafarge India is listed, but nevertheless, what sort of options is the company working with?
So it's 11 million tons of cement capacity in India, Surbi, that we are talking about. Large capacity and fairly superior assets also of Lafarge. And that's why it's up for grabs and a lot of suitors are looking at it. One big advantage for the remaining aspirants is that UltraTech, because of competition commission restrictions, will not be able to participate. And therefore, it gives a free play to some of the smaller entities who are aspiring and are getting ambitious about the cement space. So what we're talking about here are at least 10 suitors have evinced interest and have put in their non-binding bids. There are three essential pockets of that. First, of course, of foreign players like CRH, Heidelberg, as well as China Resources, who want an entry into India, have a larger play here, and therefore have submitted bids. Apart from that, the local players like JSW, they have tied up with CVC partners. Apart from that, there is Ramco Cement, which has tied up with Carlyle. And also Piramal Group is looking very, very ambitious at this point and has tied up with Goldman Sachs private equity firm. So these three tying up with private equity firms means it's a large transaction worth about 10,000 odd crore rupees. None of these smaller companies would have the bandwidth to pump in that kind of cash, and therefore the financial sponsors really coming on board. Apart from that, there is also a consortium built up with Blackstone, Bearing Asia, as well as CPPIB, who all together have come together as a consortium and put in their non-binding bids. Apart from that, Advent, Bain Capital are also in the fray. So a lot of interest there, but how many turn out to be really serious players and can cough up that kind of cash is going to be very crucial to